Okay, now you click purchase all. Then here, like for example, now you're going to buy a machine of 8,000, which will provide you 11.5 naira pay hour profit. You click after what you research, now you click buy, then you confirm. You see, because I don't have enough credit on my account now. See now what they said, your balance is not enough. Please go to research now. Now let's go. Got it. Then now let's just say we're going to recharge 10,000 naira. Then I click auto pay. Auto pay. Then I tap recharge. Now this is where now I am going to make a transfer to this bank account, which is Wayma Bank. Now I copy account here. I go to my bank, then I made a deposit to this bank, and you make sure when you are making a deposit, the name and the account with the bank, let everything be as they have provided in the site. Now after where you make a payment, you then click I have made this transfer or I have made this payment. Then when you click it, now they are going to confirm it. You have to take about, let's just say, like 15 seconds. Then they are going to deposit it into your dashboard. Then after that, now you go back to your account. Then you purchase for the one of 10,000 naira. Then it will provide you an hourly profit. That's all. Everything is so simple. When you copy this your account number, then you go to your bank, you paste it there, and the amount that you are going to deposit into this account, which is 10,000 naira, you write it there. Then the bank, you select the bank, Wema Bank. Then the account name is going to, after when you paste the account number, is going to reflect in there, which is Oko Technology Limited. So after when you done all this, you make your transfer finish, then you come back and tap I have made the payment. Then it will roll for like 15 seconds. After then, they deposit it into your dashboard. Then you go back and made your purchase. That's all. Thank you.